Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from KuCoin to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your Tron tokens in no time. Let's get started. It's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Uphold. Double-check that your Uphold wallet is ready to receive TRX, as crypto transfers require precise details to avoid any mishaps. Now, log into your KuCoin account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallets, section. That's where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Next, find TRX in your asset list and click on it. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Start by selecting the Tron network, as TRX operates on that blockchain. Then, paste in your Uphold wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste addresses directly to prevent typos, which could lead to lost funds. Now, enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Remember to check the network fees. They can vary, so keep an eye on your total to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. After that, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but times can depend on network congestion. Once the transfer is complete, log into your Uphold account and check your wallet. You should see your TRX arrive shortly. Awesome job! You've just successfully moved your tokens. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support resources. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.